Jewelyn and my grandma Janet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our home in Arizona. So we are here in Mesa and it's a beautiful sunny morning. Yesterday the rain was really bad and we wanted to film this actually yesterday so the cactus cuttings would get time to callus over before I head back to Santa Monica tomorrow morning. Before I go to the gym and before we film our come with me for the day, I wanted to go ahead and do this propagation because I could not pass up not doing this for my channel. So this is a very big prickly pear and I'm obsessed with cactus cuttings. If you watch my last Arizona, I swear we're not even in Ocean Boulevard and now we have an airplane over us. If you guys watch my last Arizona haul, I did a totem pole cactus cutting from a mother plant that was very near my place in Scottsdale, but this mother plant is right in our patio at our Mesa home and I wanted to go ahead and propagate a bunch. I'll keep some for me, give some to my plant friends, and I'll probably give one or two in an upcoming cactus giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So I have our barbecue thong that we used last night just in case because there is some long pricks here and there. Otherwise, this is a fairly easy cactus to propagate. I have my grandma here and she's gonna help me and I'm gonna also teach her how to propagate. Also, side note, you will need to let this callus over once you have the cutting. Until it's calloused over, you can't stick it into dirt and you're gonna have to let it sit in dirt for fairly a good amount of time until it starts growing roots, and then you can give it a water. So that's my little quick tip before we get started, and you can watch us go ahead and take some propagations. So what you want to do is you want to look at the mother plant, and it is so huge compared to my grandma and I can't wrap my mind around it. But I'm going to take from different areas of the mother plant where you can't really see that much damage to the plant. So I'm going to start from the bottom first and then work my way up. Grandma, since you're right here, why don't you take this cutting right here? So grab the base, and if you feel more comfortable to use this, there's no pricklies on it so you won't get poked, but get the bottom and twist it. So twist from the bottom and get a nice cut. Keep going back and forth till you get a twist. So here's our first cut right here. So my grandma used the tongs to grab it from the bottom and give it two twists and it came right off. So this is a very nice size cutting, bigger than my palm. So my grandma's gonna put it into the bag and we're gonna move along to the next guy. So grandma, what do you think? I think we should maybe take that guy on the top there. Yeah. So we're taking like from the very, very top and then the very, very bottom. So my grandma is grabbing it, and I'll bring the point of view closer in a few so you can see what we're working with. Good. So this is another cutting that we got from behind. So fairly big, the size of my palm. So that's kind of the size of the cuttings I'm going for. Here's a different point of view. So my grandma wants to harvest this one. So she's going to grab it from the bottom and give it a nice twist. And it'll slowly come out. And here's our beautiful cutting. You want to lift it up in the sun so everybody can see the difference from my hand. So we're going for cuttings that are like bigger than my palm. That's the rate that we're going for. And then we're putting it in our recyclable bag. Grandma, you want to get maybe... Sure. Maybe we can do that one for the giveaway. That's a nice sized one. Are you having fun, Grandma? Do you want to come maybe on this side? You got it? The morning sun is challenging me to get some good lighting for you guys. Grandma's a lefty, by the way. You got it. And let's see here. Yep, good. Let's get a few more. What about this guy right here? This guy looks like a really good one. Yep, so grab it from the bottom and give it a nice twist. Yay! That one is a really big one too. Good job, Grandma. Are you having fun propagating? How's about this guy right here? That guy looks good. Let's get some good lighting on it. The morning sun. Beautiful. Look at how big that one is. Next. I'm looking at what else we can get. Okay. Yep, that's a good one. And the one next to it. Yep, this one. Yeah, so you want to take from places where you're not really going to see where you get the cut from. Although, like, they do callus over fairly well and they'll grow into new babies. Grandma, you don't like the pricks? It can't come off. You just have to be very careful. All right, and then let's see here. Looking. What do we have? Maybe this guy. This one is a good one. You don't want that one? Okay, or what about... Okay. I see the ones you're going for. All right, that's a big one. Lift it up in the sun. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I might have to keep that one, Grandma, for myself. So we are on the other side. Grandma's checking out the scene here. She feels inspired to propagate this guy here. So we'll get this cutting here. Yes, it's a good one. I might have to keep that one for me, Grandma. And then I told her these two are calling out to me right here. So she's gonna go in and grab them with her left hand technique. Oh no. It'll callus over, it'll be fine. We just have to be careful. So twist. And then careful where your arm don't get pricked. Got it. Good. So I think I'm gonna give this one away for the giveaway. This is gonna be a giveaway cutting here. Yeah, a little bit smaller than mine's. And then we'll do this guy here as a giveaway cutting as well. Perfect. So those are the two for the giveaways. Alright guys, so now we are on the opposite side of the patio here at the Arizona house, and my grandma's just going to take all of the cuttings out and lay it out so I can see the different sizes we got. So try to, Grandma, group them by size. So I think these go all together in size. I am so excited for this propagation video. Also too, with this video, I was able to teach my grandma how to propagate from a big mother cactus because I definitely don't have this at my Santa Monica house. How was it to propagate from a big mother plant, Grandma?
Kind of exciting because
you get to pick and choose.
Yeah.
And you know that every single one that you get is going to be a new baby. How fun is that? So you found it exciting, huh?
Pretty much, because it's a huge one, so...
Yeah, it is. That prickly pear is definitely huge, and I don't want to even know how old that thing is. It's very old. So
because of the stump underneath.
Yes, the stump is super huge. It's like big like my jade tree in Santa Monica. Oh, there's more?
Yeah.
Okay, Grandma had a little incident with a little prickly, but you gotta be very careful when you're handling these because you never know. There might be some fine little pricks on there. Now, on a few of them, there's some adult long pricks in it, but for the most part, a lot of them that we chose do not have pricks on them. So I want to be very careful when I'm transporting them on the airplane tomorrow morning.
Yeah, you gotta leave it in the package.
Yes, so I'm gonna have to somehow, we'll figure out how to take these back. But my plan for these cuttings are, one, we're gonna take it back to Santa Monica, I am, and then we are going to, I love how we say we. So what the plan is for these cuttings is I'm gonna take it back to Santa Monica. My flight is first thing in the morning, and then I work a double day tomorrow. So I definitely have a very long 12-hour day. So I'm not gonna be filming anything tomorrow in Santa Monica, but I will have this set in my patio. If I have room on my propagation station, great. Otherwise, I'm just gonna find somewhere in my space, and I have a lot of space, thank goodness, in Santa Monica to get this callused over. And then once it's callused over, then I can go ahead and get my nursery planters that are all stored on the other side of my studio. And then we're just gonna let them sit in nursery planters until they grow roots. And in time, I don't know when I'm gonna give my plant friend cuttings. I'll probably give Kira one in the next couple of days when I see her in 5 days. Otherwise, I think this is even great, like part of my Christmas bundle for plant gifts. I like doing plant bundles for gifts, so this might even go for like a Christmas bundle. Not quite sure yet, but I know my plant friends will have a bunch. I will have a bunch, and then these two small guys here, when I'll try to pick them up without getting poked here. So these two are gonna go for our upcoming cactus giveaway, and I think I'm gonna do 2 separate giveaways, 2 winners for the same giveaway, because I've been collecting cactus cuttings in the last couple of weeks, so I'm really excited about that. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you, Grandma, for hanging out and being my lovely assistant. I let her do all of the propagating herself, so you have a lot of practice on how to propagate. So there is a technique.
Yeah.
You grab low and you twist, nice and easy. And that's it. So that is going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this propagation video from our Arizona house. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing and sharing this channel of mine to any plant friend that needs plant inspiration. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Mesa, Arizona. Bye!